Hello everyone, welcome today in this additional with extra sudokus and puzzles of today's newspaper on Friday, July the 21st, 2021. We have here 7 extra puzzles or sudokus. The first one is a letter Sudoku, second one 2 stars, third one 3 stars, then the fourth one a 4-star Sudoku. Then we have a tectonic with 1 star and a binary. No, 7, 6. Yeah, there are 6, not 7. Those are other puzzles. Not interested. So there are today not 7 but 6. So not 4 I will do, but 3 I will do. I think I will do the 3 stars, the 4 stars, and a tectonic one. Yes. All right. Let me position the camera. Okay. And this one, the third, not the three star Sudoku will be number 3140. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits as usual. Correct me if I'm wrong. Alright, so let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Puzzle. Alright, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 9 and the 5. We have a 9 and a 5 in this big square. So no 9 and a 5 in these 3 boxes. The 9 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 9 and a 5. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 5 goes there. Alright. Okay. Then. Let me see. We have a 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 5. We have 8 and a 5 in this column, so no 8 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 8 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 8 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So the other pair in this big square are the numbers 3 and 4. 3 and 4 are missing, and we see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 3 goes there. Alright. Okay. 3 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 8 is missing. 6 and the 8, we see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 6 goes there. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in the middle column. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 6. We have a 4 and a 6 in this big square. So no 4 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. The 4 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 6 and a 4. The other pair in this big square should be the numbers 1 and 3. 1 and 3. No. We have a 3 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1 and 7. 1 and 7 are missing. Let me mark those 2 boxes. That means 1 box left in this column. The 2 is missing. Yes, the 2 is missing. So we have a 3 in this row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1 and a 7. 1 and a 7 are missing. Alright. Alright. Uh-huh. 3, 1. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers in this row are the 1 is missing, 2, the 3 is missing, and the 4 is missing. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4, and look, we have a 1 and 4 in this column. So no 1 and 4 in this box. The 1 and 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair, 1 and 4. So 1 digit left in this row for the number 3. Okay. Then. 7. Okay. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. We have a 1 and a 5 in this column, so no 1 and a 5 in these 2 boxes. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair, 1 and a 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 4 and a 9, 4 and a 9. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here. So this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 6. Okay. 6 in this row, 6 in the row below. So in the last row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this row. 1 and a 7 I've marked, but I already have a 1 there, so this cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 7. Yeah, those 2 missing numbers in this big square are the 7 and the 8. 7 and an 8. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Then 6, 6. How about the number? We have a pair. 3 and a 5 in this column. 3 and a 5 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 3 and a 5 should be in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. 7, 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9, 8 and a 9, 9. Okay. And now, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 7, 8, 1, 7, 8. No. 2, 7, 8, 2, 7, 8. Okay. What are those missing numbers in the last column? 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7. The 8 is missing. 4, 8, and the 9. 4, 8, and a 9. 4, 8, and a 9. I cannot fill this yet. 4, 8, and a 9. Okay. 5, 5. 6, 6. 6, 6. 6, 6. I'm thinking. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only place for the 4 should be there. Alright. Yeah. 278 and 9. All right. So the 2 should be here. Yeah. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. There 2, no 2 there. So the 2 could be here or there in the middle row. We see there also a 2, so no 2 here. The only place for the 2 should be here. 2 in the third column, 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And now I cannot continue with the 2. 835. 3. Yeah. 3 missing numbers now in the middle row. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 in the middle row should be there. Okay, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. Alright, now we have a 5 here, so this box can be 5 anymore, that box should be a 5, and this box should be an 8. Alright, one number left in the middle row. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This should be an 8. Okay. So we have an 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2, 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and the 9. 2 and the 9 are missing. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7 is missing. Yes, 7 is missing. Okay, so let me see. Yes, 2 in this row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there, and all the 2's are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 2. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and a 6. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. We see a 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 and more. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 7. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 1 number left in this first column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. Yes, the 9. So we have a 9 in this column. 9 in the third column. So the column between. The only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9's are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 9. Alright. Alright. Almost finished. 2 numbers left in this big square. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 4 and the 8. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row. 8 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 8 should be there. And all the 8's are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 8. 1 number left in this row. first row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. Okay, 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5 are missing. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 box left in this row for the number 5. Now we have a 5 here, so this box can't be 5 anymore. That box should be a 5, and this box should be a 4. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 1. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers are 1 and 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 1 goes there. All right, finished in 15 minutes. Well, for 3 stars, I need 15 to 20, no, 20 to 30 minutes. So I'm very well pleased with the time. So is this really a 3 stars? No, let me give this a 2 stars. And I like this one. I like this, really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku, a 4-star Sudoku it will be. See you then. Bye bye for now.